How to fix sorry, couldn't find username Snapchat problem. So if you're facing a problem with the couldn't find username on Snapchat problem, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, now you just need to open up your Snapchat application. So once you open up your Snapchat application, or once you've logged into your account, now you need to simply go for the search, which is on the upper side, and then you can search for the persons, or you can search for the username that you would like to find. But even after searching, if you can't find the username, then you might have some problems on your application. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go for the search. Under search, you need to search for Snapchat, and under Snapchat you need to make sure that you don't have any updates, because if you have any updates under your Snapchat, then you can simply go for update and update your Snapchat application. Once you've updated, you can go back and your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to tap and hold on to your Snapchat application and then go for app info. Under app info, you need to scroll down and go for storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache on your Snapchat, then your problem will be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to restart your device, or you can go with your Snapchat application. So to restart your device, you need to simply press and hold on to your power button, and here you will have restart option. You can restart it, or you can open up your Snapchat and go for the profile, which is on the upper left. Tap on settings, which is on the upper right. Scroll down, and here you will have an option of clear cache. Tap on clear cache and then continue, and once you've done this, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix sorry, couldn't find username Snapchat problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.